Yo, what's up everybody? How's it going? I want to cover the Laravel updates, and in this video we want to take a look at the feature will save your database and your hard disk space in the server and your computer. Let's take a look. When your Laravel application has a lot of jobs, means you may have a lot of failed jobs. And this failed job will be stored in your database, and in a time it will be fill your hard disk space and will mess your database. In older version of the Laravel, there was a command, means let me say artisan queue and a flush. In the older version of the Laravel, there was a flush command which will flush all of your failed job. And in new version of the Laravel, since Laravel 9, there is a flag on the flush command, which make this command more useful. In older way, when you flush your failed job, it will be clear all of your jobs and failed jobs, but it's not good for our application to delete all of our failed job. And we want to take a look at our failed job and why it's happened in some time, like 24 hours or 3 days or more, based on your application and sensitivity and others. For now, it's more useful, and I want to implement this command in the schedule of the code review pals, and the syntax of the command is like that. You can see the hours here and the description of the hours, and we can use this like hours equal to 36 hours. Okay, and it will be delete all of our failed job which more than 30 hours long lifetime. And let's just add this command into our kernel in app console kernel in this schedule. And I want to run this about daily. And I want to delete for past 24 hours. Just do not forget to remove this say artisan, and just we need queue flush hours 24 here. It's good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this video if you enjoy. And you can contribute on Code Review Pals if you want. I will put the Discord server links below in the description. Please join our community, and we have a lot of things. We are ready to release the first version, and everything will be happening in the Discord server. Lots of things, something in website and some other things in Discord server. So be happy and enjoy your life and coding. See you in the next video. Goodbye.